Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Edupreneur Diaries, where we talk about planning, productivity, and personal finance. It is April, and that means it is Financial Literacy Month, and we're going to kick it off with another Transfer Tuesday. That means I'm going to take you guys with me as I transfer $500 from my Varo checking account to my Capital One 360 home savings goal. So let's jump right in and sign in to Capital One 360. We are signed in now, and as you can see, my home savings goal is currently at $7,046.66. So if you have done the math, you know that it's going to take $500 a month plus some extra income for me to reach my $20,000 goal by January of 2023. So $20,000 is just what I set for myself as a down payment for a home. If I can save more than that, that will be great, but that's my goal. So we are going to go into my home savings goal here, and we're going to make the transfer. Now, before I transfer my $500, I just want to encourage everyone as we move into quarter 3 and as we go through April, which is Financial Literacy Month. I want to encourage you guys to continue on with any goals that you have, whether they are weekly, whether they are monthly, quarterly, whatever the case may be. And just keep at it, you guys. Keep at it. Hopefully this video helps someone. You can go back and watch the rest of my videos to see where I started with my home savings goal. But the goal here is to encourage, and hopefully that's what I'm doing on my channel. So let's go ahead and transfer for the month of April. So this video is going to be short and sweet. We're going to transfer from our Varo checking account. If you do not bank with Varo and you are looking for a new bank, now this is an online bank, so there's no brick and mortar location. But if you're looking for a new bank, I will certainly put my Varo link in the description below because I love Varo and I highly recommend it. We're going to transfer to, let's see, our home savings goal. I also love Capital One 360 as well, so I'll put that link in the description as well. This is a one-time transfer, and let's see, this is on Tuesday, April the 5th, in the amount of $500. And we're going to double check it to make sure everything is correct. We're transferring from Varo. We're transferring to our home savings goal, one-time transfer for today's day in the amount of $500. That is perfect. So it was successful. So you guys, we are one step closer to our home savings goal. Now I should be at $7,546.66. And if you want to see how much interest I earned for March, you can see that right here, $2.35. Now, if you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to thank you all for your support. And if you like this content, please take a moment to support my channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell so that you're notified every time Edupreneur Diaries posts a new video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to start a budget, check out my Etsy shop linked in the description below for these digital downloads.